In this session, we will discuss palindrome partitioning. What is meant by partitioning of a palindrome? Suppose input is given like if input is given like string as input like A, A, B, and your output should be list containing nested list A, comma A, comma B, and one more thing is one more list is A, comma B. Okay, these two are the list. Okay, because this is a palindrome. These sublists are and these sub strings are palindromes in a list. This is also a palindrome, and this alone is also a palindrome. This should be your output. Okay, and if you take like A, comma AB, this is not a palindrome. So this you should not take as a consideration. So you should print all possibilities of substrings of a list in a nested list. This should be your output. Suppose if you take one more input like A, A, B, B, your output can be A, A individual. All individuals also can be a palindrome. So this one. And one more thing is A and BB. This is palindrome. Okay. Can we think a few more possibilities? No. Okay. Only these two strings are possible. Okay. We will run and we will check once. Okay. A, B and A, B. These are palindromes. Just this one. A, B. C, A. Okay. It's showing A, B, and A, B. This is one case. A and B. This is one more case. And A, B. We haven't taken these two cases. And one more possibility is A, B, and A, B, comma B. You can take this as a string. Okay, these four are the possibilities for above one. See, this is a palindrome. This alone is a palindrome. This one is a palindrome. And this one is a palindrome. This is a palindrome. This is a palindrome. Palindrome is nothing but if you take element 101. If you write this in reverse, it is 101. So both are same. Then it's called as a palindrome. Okay. How to do this? We will do by using recursion. We will consider input as a smaller input case because it would be easy. Input is A and B. Okay. Your output should be what are a palindromes with a list containing nested list of string A, B. This is the one case because all elements are palindrome. This is a palindrome. This is a palindrome and this is a palindrome. If I take one more case like A, A, comma B. This is also a palindrome. How to obtain these results? Okay, I will take one list, big list. It contains all sublists. I will take sublist as A. You can take any variable. Okay. Suppose if you take A, B, A, A, B, index 0, 1, and 2. If I partition at 0 index, okay, I'm taking loop from 0, 1, and 2. Okay, means by I'm partitioning at 0, then it will be in this form. If I partition at 1, it would be in this form. If I partition at 2, A, B, it would be in this form. Okay. After partitioning, I'm checking this substring whether it is a palindrome or not. If it is a palindrome, I'm doing recursion for this also to check. I'm doing further partitioning, or else I'm quitting there itself. Okay. See, this one is a palindrome. Okay. We will bother this after completing this discussion, right? Okay. And this is a recursion. This is a palindrome. So I'm partitioning again this one. A is it is there initially and partitioning it here. Okay. Again, I'm checking for this. Is it a palindrome or not for this string? Yes, it is also palindrome. Then what I'm doing, I'm partitioning it again at n. Okay. If it reaches to n, I'm storing this uh, list to a array and I'm storing this to a list. A, A, B. I'm storing to a list finally. I'm returning simply. Okay. This returns here. If I partition instead of here, then what it would be? A, A, B, and it will check is this string is a palindrome or not. No, it is not a palindrome, so it will quit here and it will return. Again, after that, it returns to the here. Again, I'm checking here. Is this string a palindrome or not? Yes, it is a palindrome. Okay, then I'm going further. Again, I'm checking this one is this a palindrome or not? Yes, this is also palindrome, and I have reached to n and I'm storing this to a list A, comma B, and I'm returning here simply, and this returns to here. Again, I'm checking here whether this is a palindrome or this substring. No, this is not a clan, it's not a palindrome. So I'm quitting here, I'm returning simply. Okay. This is my final list. That is the code. I will explain now code. Okay, I'm doing same thing. I'm passing a string as an argument and zero index. Okay, a string and zero index. If index reaches to n, then I'm appending my list to that sublist. I'm appending that sublist to a original list, main list. I'm making a loop from given index to length of string means it will take n minus 1. Length of s minus 1. It will consider up to that. If it is a palindrome only, I am appending that substring from that index to I plus 1. Okay, as I have shown you there. And I'm calling recursion again to this function. Okay, I will explain this code by taking up. Okay. Okay. Well, now I will explain. Okay, we have taken a string like A, and B. Okay, I'm taking this string as A, B, and this is a function. Okay, is a palindrome to check. It is a function to check whether palindrome or not. Palindrome or not. Okay, it's a function that calls recursively to find partitions of palindrome or not. Okay, here I'm passing a string and index as 0 to this partition function. I'm checking index is 0 initially. My index is 0. See, I'm passing a 0. So my index is 0. Okay. Length of s means 3 here. Length of s means 3. Length of string. Length of string means 3, that one. Okay, 0 equal to 3. Oh, no, this is false. Okay, I am going to this loop. It will go from 0 to length of s means 0 to 2. As I have explained, 0, 1, 2. It will consider this 3. 0, 1, and 2. If length is 3, it will take index start from 0. This is 3. In 0, 1, 2, this range function will go. Okay. I'll check beginning is palindrome of string. String means this one. This is a string. And I will check. Index means 0. I also 0. Means I only check this A value. I will pass to this value to palindrome function. I will check whether it's a palindrome or not. Yes, it returns true. It's a palindrome. So I am appending my array A. To my array, I am appending this A value. Okay, A dot append of s of 0, 0 to 0 plus 1 means 1. Means 0 to 1 means it will take n minus 1. So it will append only this value. 0 to index plus 1 means it will take I only. Means only it will append A value. Then after I am passing again by incrementing I value. Okay. Then after here I am incrementing my I value. Okay, by 1, and I'm passing it. My here my index is 1. Index is 1. I'm passing here. If index 1 equal to 3, no, condition false. Again I'm iterating 1 to 3 means 1, 2. 3 means it will take 1, 2 values only. Range function. I'm checking is palindrome of s. S means string. Index is minus now 1, 2. I value is also 1. Initially 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, I'm checking only for A value now. Is a palindrome or not? Yes, it is a palindrome. So A dot append of s of 1, 1 to 1 plus 1, 2 means 1 to 2 means I am taking this value only. See, string of 1 to 2. I am taking here that one only. Means I is also 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 to 2 means it will take only first value. It's up 1. Okay, that is appended here. Initially it contains A value and appending A value again. Again I'm incrementing I value. Okay, I becomes 2 now. I'm passing again here for 2. Okay. If index 2 equal to 3, no, false. For I in range 2 to 3. This is 2 value. 2 to 3 means it will take only 2 value. I'm passing a palindrome of 2. 2 to I also start from 2. 2 to 2. Means I'm considering only this value. I'm checking palindrome for this. Okay. 2 to 2 means. And A dot append of S, it is a palindrome. Only B alone is a palindrome. I am appending that value. 2 to 2 plus 1 means 3. It will take only second value. S of this one is appended to my list. Okay, for that array, I am appending A, A, B. These values are appended. Okay, to my array. And I am passing string and I plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Now I am passing 3 again. My index is now 3. Okay, my index is 3 here. Equal to 3. And here my list value also, length of string also 3. So I'm appending my array to the length of a list. My L becomes, let us take L as a array, big array. In that I'm appending A value. What is my A value? A, B. C A B A A B. After that, I'm returning simply. Okay, I'm returning here. Okay, function comes to here, and I'm popping the value. It's removing end value. So I'm removing this one after return. Okay, it comes here. Okay, but it will go for 3 also, but for any 3 it is nothing. So it won't do anything. It will return simply. After returning, it will pop. So it will remove this also. My value is only A. Now my iteration start from 2. It will continue from 2 because I have stopped here only for loop. So because of recursion, now it will start from 2. Now it will take values from C A B 1 to 2. Means it will take recursion from A B. Means it 1 to 3. Means it will check palindrome from 1 to 2. Means this 2 values it will check. Is it a palindrome? No. So it will won't go for if statement. It will skip. You can think like it skips this one, and after that return here. It should continue this one now. Okay. Okay. Now it continues from this loop. Okay. Now it will. Okay. See, my index here is 0 for this one. My index is 0 for this one, and it will check is a palindrome from 0 to I. I is 1. My value is A, B. 0 to 1, it will check whether it's a palindrome or not. It will pass to the palindrome function. Yes, it's a palindrome. True. So it will A dot append of this value. Index means 0 to means here 1 plus 1, 2. 0 to 2. S of 0 to 2 means it will take 0 to 1 values and append. 0 to 1 means A. That would be appended to an array. To array. It happens A values. Okay. Okay, it's happened. After that, I would be incremented to 2. Okay, 2 for 2. Okay, it has partition A, B, and it is checking for 2. Again 2. 2 is length of string? No. For I and range 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means it will come only 1. Okay. It's palindrome of this substring. Okay. See, index is 2. I will pass from 2 to 2. 2 to only B alone is a palindrome. It will check whether B alone is a palindrome or not. Yes, it is a palindrome. So it will append. For my array, it will append B also. It is initially with A. It appends B, and after I will increment my value. It becomes 3 now. It becomes 3, and I will pass here. After that, index is called L. It will append L value will append this one also. Okay. Now A comma B is also appended to my list. Okay, then after I will return. After that, it will pop that element. Means it will pop this A value. It will return here. It will pop this one, and it will return. And for this, it will check from 0 to 2 indexes for this case. Okay, it will check palindrome from initially my index is 0. Length of S is 3. Okay, it will check all these values. It will pass for string function index 0 to I value is now my value is 2. So it will pass palindrome of 0 to 2. See, 0 to 2 means these 3 values. Is it a palindrome? No. So it will won't go to this condition. So you can skip this one also. Okay, after that it will return. Okay, my final list is this one. Okay, this is about the code. I will explain here. Okay, palindrome function. What palindrome function is doing means take string start index end index while start index is less than or equal to end index. I'm checking that whether is string of start index. If start index is not equal to end index, I'm returning first directly, or else I'm incrementing start index value and n index value. If it skips this case, it returns true. Means I will explain with an example. Okay, A, B, okay, 0, 1, 2. If I pass this a palindrome, this is a start index 0. N index means this one you can take of n index. The string s of s start index. This one is equal to this one. No, it will return false directly. If I take one more example like A, B, B, A. Okay, the 0, 1, 2. This one. This one is start index, n index. Okay, it will check whether the start index value equal to n index. Yes, it will increment I value and decrement ei value. It will check again start index is equal to n index. Yes, it will increment I value, si value, decrement ei value. Again, it will check value. It will be false. Okay, it will come out of value and returns true directly. I have told you that whenever it reaches the end, it will append to the list and it will return simply. I told you that it will take loop from there and it will pass that iterations. It initially perform beginning iteration, and then it should remove. See why this pop means. See, when I have reached here end, to come back here, there should be no element for me to check for this case also. So I should remove this one. That is the reason there is a pop. Okay, parallel partition string pass and print in the list. Okay, we can test here. Actually, I have tested. Okay, yes, this is our output. Thank you.